like where we are when we drive in your car. I like where we are here.
Today I'll be teaching you how to teach your dog how to shake hands. Make your dog sit and make sure you both have eye contact. Then lift your dog's paw up, say the command, click, and reward your dog with a treat. Do this over and over again until your dog lifts his paw on command. You may also teach your dog how to do something else, like mixing it up a little bit by teaching how to shake with both paws or do a little pattern. Shake, other paw. Good boy.